The AI tools landscape has exploded since 2023, with over 10,000 applications now available. Key developments include the integration of AI with Web3 and blockchain for automated trading and NFT creation. Multimodal AI, combining text, image, video, and audio generation, is also on the rise, thanks to advancements in models like GPT-5 and Google's Gemini. Affordability has improved, with many tools offering free tiers and affordable API integrations. We also need to consider the regulatory environment, including the EU AI Act. Jasper AI is a prime example of an AI content generation tool that can make you money. Freelance writers are using Jasper to produce high volumes of blog posts, monetizing them via platforms like Medium. Imagine generating 100 blog posts in a week. This is how users are creating passive income streams. Learn how to leverage Jasper to create various types of content efficiently and effectively, and how to optimize your output for search engines and audience engagement. Focus on quality and relevance to maximize monetization potential. Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are revolutionizing the world of digital art. Artists are scaling NFT sales by generating AI art for platforms like OpenSea. This is a powerful way to monetize creativity. We'll show you how to use these tools to create unique and compelling visuals, explore different art styles, and understand the legal considerations of AI-generated art in the NFT space. Turn your artistic vision into a profitable venture by understanding the legal considerations of AI-generated art in the NFT space. Turn your artistic vision into a profitable venture. Copy.ai automates email campaigns and other marketing tasks, boosting conversions for small businesses. See how one small business owner automated their email marketing, boosting conversions and growing into a successful online business. Discover how to automate social media posts, analyze customer data, and create personalized marketing experiences with these powerful AI tools. Driving sales and engagement through automated, personalized marketing. Looking ahead, AI tools are evolving into intelligent AI agents that can handle entire end-to-end workflows on their own, rather than just performing single tasks. This evolution is driven by trends like autonomous coding, where AI can generate, test, and deploy code with minimal human intervention. In e-commerce, platforms like Shopify are integrating AI for personalized marketing, automatically tailoring product recommendations and promotions to individual customers. Experts predict consolidation in the AI market, with major players like OpenAI and xAI dominating through their advanced models and vast resources. Stay informed about these trends to adapt and thrive in the evolving AI landscape and the future of work. Experts emphasize that while AI tools democratize wealth creation, skill is required to avoid the illusion of easy riches. Be aware of ethical considerations like bias mitigation, where biases can be introduced during data collection, model training, and deployment. Copyright compliance is crucial to ensure AI-generated content respects intellectual property rights. Companies should create AI policies covering purpose, scope, bias mitigation, collaboration, training, ethics, legality, and data protection. Success with AI tools requires experimentation, ethical practices, and adaptation to changing technologies. The AI lifecycle includes stages like data creation, acquisition, model development, evaluation, and deployment, each requiring ethical oversight. Use these tools responsibly and ethically, focusing on creating value and avoiding misinformation. Follow the value creation wheel funnel to generate ideas, filter solutions, and consider factors like manpower, time, budget, and motivation for ethical outcomes.